Hey everyone, welcome back to IG Garage. I want to share a story with you today that really had me puzzled at first. A friend of mine drives a turbocharged car, and he called me up recently, saying that his car was losing power, especially when he tried to accelerate. The check engine light had come on, and he was worried it might be something serious. So, we hooked up the OBD2 scanner and sure enough it threw the P0236 code. Let me tell you what this code means and how we got his turbo back to full boost. The P0236 code stands for Turbocharger Boost Sensor A circuit range performance. This means that the ECU isn't getting the right readings from the boost pressure sensor, which monitors how much boost the turbocharger is producing. If this sensor isn't working properly, it can cause the car to go into limp mode, where the engine power is reduced to protect itself. After seeing the P0236 code, we knew we had to check the boost pressure sensor first. My friend mentioned that his car had been hesitating and losing power when he tried to accelerate, which are classic signs of a boost issue. We started by inspecting the sensor and its wiring. Sometimes it's just a loose connection or a damaged wire causing the problem. In this case, the symptoms were pretty clear: poor acceleration, the engine feeling sluggish, and the boost not kicking in like it should. All these issues pointed back to the turbocharger system. Without the correct boost pressure readings, the ECU can't adjust the air-fuel mixture properly, leading to a drop in performance. After a thorough inspection, we found that the boost pressure sensor was actually fine, but one of the wires had a small crack, causing intermittent connections. We replaced the damaged wire, secured all the connections, and made sure everything was properly seated. Once we cleared the P0236 code with the OBD2 scanner, the car was back to delivering full boost, and my friend could really feel the difference on the road. It's always satisfying when you can track down an issue like this and get everything running smoothly again. If you ever see a P0236 code or notice your turbocharged car losing power, don't ignore it. Check the boost pressure sensor and the wiring. It could be a simple fix that makes all the difference. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to IG Garage for more car tips and stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.